Barclays plc has been evaluating its businesses and specifically sources say its African operations. The bank, however, is tight-lipped ahead of its annual results presentation on 1 March. But there are several scenarios that could play out.
Could simply sell part of their 62% stake that they own in Barclays Africa to 50%. The advantage of that is they still own control and they reduce the stake that they have in Africa. The alternative is to sell the entire stake of 62%.
An issue facing the UK-based bank, if it opts to sell its entire stake, is the local regulator.
They will have to get Reserve Bank approval, and secondly, the Reserve Bank will have to approve of the buyer. This is very important to understand in that central banks globally will only want very strong shareholders for their banks.
And added to that, any potential buyers would be keen on Africa as a medium to long-term play, taking a view that the commodity cycle will soon end.
I think it's unlikely that a player who comes in to replace Barclays would try and reduce what they've got. They would buy it because they like ABSA, they like Africa, they like South Africa, and so they wouldn't want to change anything. In fact, they most probably want to improve it and get more joint ventures and joint transactions going together.
It's all about appetite and whether the potential buyer takes a longer-term view on Africa. On the other hand, of course, Barclays could say we're holding on to the stake because we believe in the African story. I'm Angelo Coppola for CCTV in Johannesburg.